spent a beautiful, sunny, hot day at the pool, and we're admiring the flowers that are here.
And we just wanted to share them with you guys.
We're in Grandview, Ohio, and it is a cute little community. We're going to give you a couple glimpses of some of the flowers around the area, because it's just darling.
Yeah, and we've had the best day ever. Feels like we're on vacation again, doesn't it?
That's right.
And so now we're going to show you a few flowers. It's a cool day for Nikki and I, and we just wanted to share this beautiful view. And then I wanted to show you some of their flowers. Well, we got petunias. We got, that looks like lantana. Got some salvia. But that's ageratum there in the middle.
I like ageratum.
All right, ladies, say bye. Bye. It's Carmel's birthday today, Nikki's mom. Wish her a happy birthday.
Thank you.
The cutest little lifeguard here. In front of all the pretty flowers.
Yes, look at all the flowers. It's all beautiful.
It's so pretty.
Everyone come visit and see. Everyone subscribe.
Yes, thank you. We were just driving around the neighborhood here in Grandview Heights, and we wanted to show you some of the beauty, you guys. Look how pretty this is. This just shows you that you don't have to do all your plants in the backyard. You can really maximize your space, you know, on the side yards. I just think it's so pretty. And the house is like a little Cape Cod.
Their garden is beautiful. But the people next door have a beautiful back garden. Across this one, and they have a darling seating area. And look at these pots that they planted. Above ground pots.
These little Cape Cods here are so beautiful. And then I just love the vine going across with her little lanterns. And then it does sort of just go. I thought these were awfully pretty too. And what I love the most is the house. Isn't that so pretty, that color? You guys, this house is to die for. It is so beautiful. You guys gotta see the back. That's the part that is so pretty. Woo! Look at this porch. Oh, I love that. I think that's a buckthorn, maybe. Stunning. Oh, it is so beautiful. Look how pretty their butterfly bush is. Just looks like so whimsy. And then their carriage house is probably even more prettier. Oh, this little Cape Cod is gorgeous, you guys. Oh, there's a bunny rabbit. Aw, hi, bunny rabbit. Wait for it. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so different. And so much potential. How beautiful this is. I love the fireplace going up. Wow. Beautiful.
We had to stop at this one because this is kind of Linette's boxwood plan. Just amazing. Her boxwood hedge project. Thank you all for coming along with us today on our Grandview Garden Tour. We had a great time walking through the neighborhood and checking out everyone's beautiful houses and getting inspiration and just enjoying the beautiful scenery. I hope you go out and can enjoy the outside and go find your passion today. Please be sure to hit that subscribe, like, and comment button and come back for more videos. We're enjoying these neighborhood garden tours and we hope to bring you more throughout the summer. Thanks so much, and thanks for being part of our YouTube family.